Coach 9580 coming back at you. This last video I just put up, I was telling you about that truck stop over there, how they trespassed me back in 2011. And I told you guys June. I can't remember. It was actually October. I still have the trespassing thing I got from the police. The police were there, I was there, and that manager was there. And this is what it is. I just covered up my address. I don't want nobody seeing my social security number or my address and that. But there was a copy made. I got this. The police department had one. The police department, me, and that truck stop right there. And how you guys can see right there. And I wasn't doing nothing wrong. You know, I was going there. I was spending money there. You know, I was spending $22 every day at Subway. Eating in the morning at Subway. I was eating at night at Subway when I got back. And I was taking showers there. I was paying $9.50 for my showers. But I was making money. I was working every day. I did it in 2009, 2010, and 11 is when they caught up with me. And I had a house down in Florida, so I'd leave my house in Florida, lock it up, and I'd come up here and work. The guy I work for, I told you, Kevin, all the jobs were in central Massachusetts, so it worked pretty good from where this truck stop was at that time. I had a 1995 Ford F-150 pickup, 8-foot bed, regular cab, and I was sleeping across the seat of the pickup truck in my sleeping bag. It had a bench seat in it. And anyways, the police came there, and the police said, just go buy your stuff somewhere else. The police told me, if you come back here and they call us, we're going to arrest you. We ain't going to say nothing to you. We're just going to arrest you, and we'll take you. So I said, well, I'd just go somewhere else then. I mean, the cop looked at that manager at that truck stop real funny. You know, like, the guy's here spending money. He didn't actually say it, but you could see it in the cop's face. But she's just a fucking bitch. She's probably about 60 years old, woman. It's always a woman, fucking bitches. Called the police on me for no reason, you know. I was there spending money. I was having a good time. I get done taking my shower. I'd go in there and watch TV with the truck drivers at the TV room. Then I'd go sleep out in my truck, and I'd be gone to work next day. Well, the work ain't so good this year, but it was pretty good back then. But you guys see the kind of things I've gone through. So, with that being said, all right, guys, talk to you later.